Telefomin district has several primary schools, 2 high schools and only 1 recognized vocational center. Those who pass out from the primary schools continue on to Telefomin and Sepik High Schools and the vocational. Although in the same district, these schools are located far apart, separated by high mountains, and the difficult terrain doesn't make it easy. Many parents and guardians are forced to send their children to schools outside of Telefomin in search of better educational opportunities. It was only until recently that the Provincial Education Board approved the intake of grade 11s at Telefomin High School. But that is also subject to a further approval by the National Education Board. However, if approved, it will lift the financial burden faced by the people. So far, 1.5 million kina from the DSIP education sector component has been spent on tuition fees for all students from Telefomin attending schools back in the district and outside of Telefomin. The local MP, Solan Mirisim, said only 2 million kina was allocated for the education sector. He further urged school boards to allocate funds for infrastructure.
My school board want the management must run good long budget and good money. Na some of the money must go to infrastructure.
200,000 kina from the district education sector was equally allocated to Telefomin and Sepik High Schools. This will see ongoing maintenance at Telefomin to cater for the new grade 11 intakes, while further improvements at Sepik. Nearby mining giant Oktedi Mining Limited has also assisted through its tax credit scheme with ongoing maintenance at Telefomin High School and further support from the district. Bridget Komatap, National MTV News.